People, get ready for an amazing walkthrough. Let's go. Welcome to my latest edition of a 2-bedroom apartment in Dubai Marina with a size of 1,380 square feet. As soon as you enter into the apartment, one thing I'd like to remind you that this property is fully renovated and updated, meaning we trashed out everything and rebuilt it from ground to ceiling. As soon as you enter, you have this huge living room, but then it has a bit of a design privacy partition so that you can have your privacy. Imagine a Talabad guy coming in and me looking at like, whoa, what's going on in the Netflix? All right, let's start over here with the kitchen. As soon as you enter the kitchen, this used to be a big bulky kitchen over here. There was a door going through the fridge and we took it all down and rebuilt it all together, okay? Put up a nice island kitchen over here just so that we can capitalize on this beautiful view, right? I mean, like we still have the summer days, it's a bit hazy, but otherwise this could serve as a beautiful, beautiful layout in the kitchen. Sitting over here, having your coffee. You also have a plug down over here just to plug in your coffee machine. Electric stove, fully functional, brand new hood. All the kitchen appliances over here are from the same brand. And you can claim the warranty at Better Living in Palm Jumeirah for this one. Yeah. Put in a dishwasher because why not? You have the bigger size of a fridge, not the regular size. And then this used to be a toilet over here. We turned this into a pantry because who needs a guest toilet these days? And the main reason of putting this up over here is that with such a big apartment, almost 1,400 square feet, you need space to store your stuff. Yeah. And in every single apartment in almost 20 years in Dubai that I have spent, I've always had this problem that where do you store your vacuum and your brooms and all that stuff? Not anymore. I have solved this problem for you. You can easily put up your brooms and your mops and your vacuums and everything over here. The washing machine is tucked in over here nicely as well, so that, you know, the loud noises and everything are, you know, reduced as much as possible. Enough storage space over here as well, and you got enough storage space here too. No cutting corners. You got marble at the backslash and marble top as well, and more wood on this side. Okay, let's walk into the living room. You have a beautiful media wall. This can fit in 85 inches of TV. And the reason that we place the media wall on this side is because you can enjoy this beautiful view. Look at that, look at that, huh? While you're in the apartment, you will never feel that you don't have a full sea view apartment. Look at this. Let's go out and let me show you the location of the property as well. So when you come out, of course you have the Emaar Beachfront right in front of you. You have King Salman Road running from here all the way till the end. That is all of your 5-star hotels and resorts. This right over here is your tram station, which is basically 2 minutes walk from the building entrance all the way over there. And then this road over here is your Sheikh Zayed Rd entrance and exit. You're basically in the sweetest spot in Dubai Marina to live because the entry and exit is without any traffic. And especially with the new bridge they're building up over here, which will take you directly into Dubai Harbour, the traffic is going to get even more easier. Let's go back in. Let me go and show you the bedroom number 1. Oh yeah, by the way, before I enter, I want to tell you something about the door. These doors are fireproof, soundproof and damp-proof as well, okay? Whatever the best money can buy, we have installed those doors over here. And we didn't cut corners with the handle as well. There's a cool thing about these handles I'm going to show you now. This is the latest Italian technology, as they have told me. Try to listen to the noise of the door when you close it. Almost zero sound, and the reason behind it is that you don't have that cut noise anymore because you don't have the upper part in the lock that you usually get. Only have this part, which is basically magnetic, and the moment you close it, it automatically comes out. How cool is that? Same herringbone floor running over here too. You got a bathroom, fully upgraded, fully tiled, huh? Brand new waterproofing done, new tiles, and then new tiles all the way to ceiling. Look at this. The love is in the details, huh? I hate it when I'm taking care of business sitting over here and all I can see are the pipes hanging down over there. So what we did is that we concealed them up properly. This is basically a movable wall over here. You can remove it and if there is any repairs required and take care of it whenever needed. Okay? Let's talk about the view of the apartment. Look at this view. Ooh la la! The best view money can buy in Sulafa Tower. So we kept the bed on this side so that when you wake up you have this amazing view, and then Completely upgraded wardrobe with more reflection on it so that you have the ease of just opening up and checking out what clothes you want to wear today. Okay? Let's head out and try to find the second bedroom. If you have already guessed where the second bedroom is, drop a comment now. But where is it? That's the door for the entrance. That is your kitchen. That is your pantry. That's the first bedroom. Where is the master suite? I wonder what's behind this wall. Whoa, look at that! Wow factor! As soon as you enter, and then, oppa! Look at that view! Right? Bathroom, again fully upgraded. Instead of having a bathtub, you have a shower hanging from the ceiling, what we call a rain shower. You have this big ass mirror over here with the backlit and concealed toilet seats. Now, cool thing about this shower is that what you usually do in Dubai is that you go up under the shower and then you turn the tap on and then you run back. Ooh, it's too cold or too hot, right? Problem solved. Now with this, so standing outside without burning or freezing yourself, you just open the tap over here, water flows down, you check the temperature, yeah, it's cold enough. You get in, take a nice shower, and you get out. Let me show you the rest of the bedroom over here. That's your view, beautiful view. And this is your wardrobe. One more thing I want to show you over here is this mirror. So nice. Let me just close this door. Look at this mirror. It's huge, huge mirror, huh? Look at that. Imagine getting dressed up to this one. Alright guys, so this is the whole tour of the property. I hope you like it. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me about anything at all. If you want to book up a viewing, more than welcome to come over. The property is basically a vacant, brand new, never been lived, and is up for sale immediately. Until the next one, ciao.